Meet the GiveBest portable electric space heater. Small size, massive heat power. 2 heat levels, 1500 W for Arctic blasts, 750 W for chillier evenings. Bonus cool air fan mode, because summer deserves some love too. Covers 200 squeft. Turns cold caves into cozy dens in seconds. Safety first. Flame retardant materials, tip over, and overheat auto shutoff included. Quiet as a library, 45 dB. Perfect for work, sleep, or sneaky naps. Compact design with carry handle. Warmth you can take anywhere, anytime. Energy efficient. Heat only the space you need, save on electric bills. Durable ABS material, built to last through countless winters and chilly mornings. Thermostat control. Automatically adjusts to keep you comfy without lifting a finger. Lightweight yet powerful. Fits your desk, your room, or even your pet's corner. GiveBest, your personal portable heater, because cold toes are so last season.